Come on. Can we get some grain? There he is. All right, so we got through Hurricane Lee yesterday. Now I'm gonna get around my fence, do some maintenance on it, put the calf inside for the storm, so perfect time to get out there and do that. Get another calf coming, pretty sure. Red Angus Jersey Cross, very Jersey confirmation, but make some hamburger next year. So for right now, I am gonna whippersnipper on the bottom hot wire in the fence, and then just walk the fence, make sure it's not down anywhere after yesterday's storm. So hopefully this week I'm gonna have another animal out there grazing. So anyways, let's get to work. All right, really needed to get cleaned up around that bottom hot wire. There's a lot of grass on it. There's no damage. A couple old dead limbs on the fence way out back, but other than that, it's fine. So now I might have to go clean up a tree somewhere. Just got a message from somebody I don't know saying they had a tree go down. But anyways, I'll call them, see what happens. So basically I'm ready to some cows back out here.